welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to take you through how to achieve this minimal looking brows. Yeah, how I do my brows. This is basically how I do my brows most of the days. So I'm going to take you through how it's done. If you are new here and you haven't watched my previous video, please do so. And if you are still watching me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And definitely stay on and see how I achieve this. So I tuck my hair behind my ear just so it doesn't come into my face and I can get into those brows. Then I go ahead and pick a wipe and clean my brows just so that area is clean and ready for me to get into it. I take a translucent powder just to set the area. I use the Coty sponge. You don't have to put too much, just a little bit. So, see on my brush. Then I kind of dab it off. Just to set the area, you know. I normally have my brows getting oily, so I adopted this method to resolve that, and it's been doing the job. I don't see my brow getting super oily anymore. All done. Then I pick my spoolie. I'm using the spoolie from bhcosmetics. I'll put all the specific products I'm using down below in the description so you can check it out in case you're interested, you like something. So I go in with the spoolie and just kind of comb my brows a little bit. Yeah, all done. Then I pick a brown pencil. You can use any brown pencil. This is not an expensive brand. This is just any drugstore pencil. It's fine. It doesn't really matter. Then I go beneath my brow and draw a line. I noticed that I tend to stretch my eye because I feel like it stretches that skin, so it makes it a little bit easier for me. Yeah. Then after drawing the line beneath, I go to the top and I draw a line over that arc. You are shaping the brow to how you want it to be, so don't be scared. If you want bolder brows, you can make your lines bolder. You can extend a little bit. I like my ends a bit pointy, so I tend to extend. And it looks a bit bolder now, but when I conceal, it gets smaller. I move towards the front of my eyebrow and try and make small strokes of hair. I bring the spoolie again and comb it out. Just so the hairs come together and blend out a bit better. Yeah. So this brow is not done. I'm yet to conceal. So I'll go in and do this as well. The same process, I'll start at the bottom. Draw my line, then go to the top part. I'm doing this a bit faster because I don't want the video to be super long, but if you don't know how to draw your brows at all, you can take your time so you can get them looking real good. Then I shade the ends and come up right to the middle. Front part of my eyebrow, I try to mimic small strands of hair, just a little bit. Then I come back with the spoolie again and brush it out just so it blends. Your brows are supposed to look alike, but not specifically the same because they are both shaped not the same. My brows are not shaped the same. I have this little brow bone here that changes the shape anytime I draw it from this one, so I don't try to make it look exactly the same because they cannot be the same. Doesn't mean this brow should go that way and that brow should go that way. They should be similar. I'm done drawing my brow, so I'll go in with concealer. I'm using the LA Girl concealer. I'll put the link below. I'm going to start with this one. Start at the tail of the brow. Take your time so you can get it perfectly. So I take the concealer again to the top part. I start from the tail. Work my way to the top. Start from the tail as well. Because I'm filming, it's taking me a bit longer than I normally would do my brows, because I want you to see all the steps. I'll go to the top part as well and draw a line. Working my way up. Some people finish with one brow before they move on to the other, but I like to do them together, so it's not a big deal. You can finish with one brow, then go in on the other, whichever works for you. I'm going to blend the concealer from around my brows using a brush from bhcosmetics. I forgot to say that. I love this brush. I think this is my most favorite brush. It came as a set of 36. I got it as a gift from a friend. The number on it says 23. It's looking good, but it looks like it's joining here, right here. So I'll conceal that part as well, just so my brows don't look like a wink. After concealing, I like to go in again with the black pencil. Any black pencil is fine. This is a drugstore black pencil. I go in just the ends just to make it a bit darker. You can see the transition line here, so you can use this. Make smaller strokes as well, like hair strokes. I go in with the spoolie again. And do the same thing on the other eye. And comb it out as well. I hope you like my brows. I'll definitely go ahead and do my full face, and then I'll show you how it looks. I'm back. I did a little quick makeup look just so you could see how the brows look when you have your face done. I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope it helps anyone who doesn't know how to do their brows yet, or who struggles doing their brows, find it a bit easier. Bye, and see you in my next video.